Hi early years, so welcome to our handwriting. We are continuing with our robot letters. We've got 2 more robot letters to do. So the robot letter we are learning this week is going to be the letter P. So this is the letter P, makes the P sound. Okay, so once again, the first thing we're going to do is have a look at it. What does it look like? Where does it sit? What do you notice? So pause the video if you want to and have a little chat with whoever's at home with you. So then I'm going to share some things. First of all, I think it looks very much like the letter B. I can see the letter B when I'm there, but the letter B would have a really tall line coming up here. So it would be much taller. Okay, so the letter B would come, and then you've got this bit here that isn't on the letter B, but you've got this bit here that is. So I can see the letter B in there. I can see where the robot bit goes, but interestingly, where do you notice? Does this one go? Let me get rid of that. Does this one go as high up as the sky? Does it go up into the sky? No, it doesn't. It sits in the grass and it only sits, oh, sorry about that. It only sits on the grass here. But look at this. It goes underground, and we've only had a few letters that actually do that. So it goes underground. So we know this one's a little bit different, but we're still going to follow the same pattern, the same system that we always do for the robot letters. So where do we start? Well done. Start on the line. You swoosh it up. Now we're not going all the way up this time. When we were doing the letter B, we went all the way up. We are not going all the way up this way. We're going halfway between the 2 lines. So we swoosh up to his head, down to his toes, and we're going down past the line. We're going underground, down to his toes, back up and over and round we go like the B. And then those of you that were flicking out, we can flick that out just like we did with the B. If you weren't flicking it out with the B, leave it without the flick. That's absolutely fine if that was one step too far. So it's exactly the same as all the other robot letters. Swoosh up to his head to toe, down underground we go, back up and over and join it up. Once you touch that line, you join it up and then flick it back out. Okay, so if I can just share, bear with me a moment, I'll just share our writing repeater. Once again, you can put this writing repeater on at home. If you go into ictgames.com, they can have a go at this at home, and we're just going to play this one. So swoosh up, halfway, down, back underground, back up to the top, over you go, around, join it up on the line. That one's without the flick, so this one's got the flick. So you can choose which one you are doing at home. Round it goes, join it up on the line, flick it out. And then when you are ready for it, I have put the word put. It's one of our tricky words. It blends as the word put, P-U-T, put, but we don't say put, I put my hat on. We say put. So it's a tricky word. So it's there to challenge you today. And you've practiced all those letters in cursive. Okay, so remember, it's exactly the same pattern as all the other robot letters, but this one does not go all the way up to the top of the line. It goes halfway. You can see here on this writing repeater, I put the halfway mark on just so you can see it, and it goes underground. So follow that pattern. Okay, we just look at this one more time. Swoosh up, head to toe, underground we go, back up, over, get down to that line and join it up and flick it out. Have fun. I think you'll enjoy this one, and I think you're going to be brilliant at it. And just remember that the capital does sit on the line, but this one, the P, the round bit, sits on the line, and the tall long bit goes down underground. So happy practicing. See if you can have some fun. See how many P words you can write using our letters that we have done in cursive. I'll pop some on the plan for you for some ideas. Enjoy.